The semiconductor equipment industry is vital to modern technology as it develops, manufactures, and maintains the essential machinery for producing microchips. This includes advanced equipment like extreme ultraviolet, EUV, lithography systems for precise chip patterning, automated test equipment, AT, for rigorous testing, and sophisticated packaging equipment to ensure microchips function in various devices. These tools power everything from smartphones to advanced medical devices, underscoring their critical role in technological advancement. In this regard, let us take a look at how to build a successful and skilled career in the high-tech semiconductor equipment industry. Step 1. Understand the industry. Start by researching the semiconductor sector to gain a comprehensive understanding of the industry. Explore resources like industry reports, tech blogs, and company websites to learn about key players, emerging technologies, and current trends. Staying informed about the latest developments will help you identify opportunities and navigate your career path effectively. Step 2. Identify key skills. The semiconductor equipment industry values a blend of technical knowledge and practical skills. Key areas include electronics, precision engineering, and machinery maintenance. Courses in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer science provide a solid foundation, while certifications in specific equipment or technologies can further enhance your qualifications. Step 3. Gain hands-on experience. Practical experience is crucial. Seek internships, apprenticeships, or entry-level positions at semiconductor companies or equipment manufacturers. These opportunities offer invaluable on-the-job training and a chance to apply your skills in real-world settings. Step 4. Network and pursue professional development. Join professional organizations like Semiconductor Equipment and Materials International to connect with industry professionals and stay updated on industry standards. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and seminars to expand your knowledge and network. Step 5. Commit to continuous learning. The semiconductor industry is constantly evolving. Stay ahead by continually updating your skills and knowledge. Online courses, advanced degrees, and certifications can help you remain competitive and advance your career. In summary, by understanding the industry, developing critical skills, gaining hands-on experience, networking, and committing to continuous learning, one can build a successful and fulfilling career in the semiconductor equipment industry. The semiconductor equipment industry offers opportunities for those with the right skills and determination. Start your journey today and become a part of the technological revolution.